Okay, now I'm getting ready to do the other part, which is removing the bellow itself, just by inserting this carefully, pushing and changing spot, flipping it over to make sure you don't cut in the wood, and slowly keep pressure and wiggling it, and it will get it to rise. And that's the way I found, which was, it's a bit longer process, but that's the way I found that makes less damage to the bellows themselves or the wood plank that supports them. It's going in now. You keep the heat gun about, I'd say, an inch from the bellow. It takes a few minutes for the heat to go through the wood and soften the glue. It's starting to go a bit faster now. Don't try doing it the same spot continuously, or you'll end up biting in the wood and it will damage the board or the bellow. And it's almost done now. This one came off quite easy. There, and it's off. That's damaged. This one has a little nick here and a little nick there, but as in my other videos, I'll be just sanding this down smooth and filling whatever indentations or wood chips that came out of it. With patience, I've removed one completely without taking off the material. So in the case of a repair of a defective bellows, using this principle and heating the blade instead of heating the bellow itself, I was still able to squeeze my cutter inside it, between the two, and was able to remove it. So I guess it could be a way of repairing or replacing just one bellow in case B of a defective one, because I don't see that they're so tightly put together that removing one without doing the whole set. But I guess it's feasible. And you could always cut the material off. You can see I've got two of them. I got two of them here that I was able to remove without cutting. So this one too, and all the other ones I've removed by removing first the cloth from it and then flipping it open and heating it. So that's about it. So far, I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them left to remove. And after that, I'll start the reconstruction of the board, cleaning it, filling the gaps, doing the same thing with the bellows, checking the hinges, make sure if they, like this one is still good, but some of them are completely cracked through, so I'll have to replace those. But it's a tedious process, but no particular I think anybody can do it with a bit of patience.